going to select the pen tool. You'll find that in the toolbar, or just hit G on your keyboard. Now carefully draw a mask around your monitor in the footage. Take your time with this step. Precision is key here. Next up, it's time to bring in 2 clips of your gameplay. Drag those into the timeline and position them above your footage. Scale these clips down to roughly fit the size of the monitor area we just masked out. Don't worry about getting it perfect just yet. We'll clean it up. Now this is where the fun begins. With your gameplay clips selected, head over to Effects and Presets and search for the corner pin effect. Drop that onto each gameplay clip. You'll see 4 points appear. Drag those to the corners of the monitor to perfectly match the perspective. Boom, just like that, your gameplay fits naturally into the scene. Now that our monitor replacement is looking good, let's step it up a notch and add some animation to the background. First, we're going to create a new solid layer. Right-click in your timeline, go to New and select Solid. Pick any color you like. We'll be hiding it behind the effect anyway. With the solid selected, go over to Effects and Presets and search for Turbulent Noise. We'll be using the Universe version, so look for Uni. Turbulent Noise. Once it's applied, go into the settings and change the preset to spline. Now for the fun part, making it move. We're going to animate the evolution. To do that, hit the stopwatch next to evolution, setting your first keyframe. Scrub forward on the timeline a few seconds and adjust the evolution to a higher value, creating the second keyframe. But we're not done yet. To make this animation really smooth, open the graph editor. Select both keyframes and tweak the curve so the motion eases in and out. This will give it a more natural flow instead of just a linear movement. And there you have it. Now your background has some animated energy, perfectly complementing your gameplay clips. Follow along with these keyframes and graphs and watch how your scene comes to life. Alright, let's take this to the next level by creating some 3D text for our gaming channel. We're going to use the Element 3D effect to make this happen, so stick with me and follow each step.
I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home. Looking eyes pronounce your warning. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Hold on, the floor is caving. Your walls turn into cages. Your refuge will be your demise. Dances with the devil. Your power isn't special. We don't fit on your canvas. We burn it all to ashes now. 'Cause we are the outlaws.